You just hit 100,000 beans on Niki Live and try to cash out, but the withdraw button is nowhere to be found. Don't panic and don't delete the app. There is one hidden 24-hour rule that stops 90% of new hosts from seeing their real money, and Niki Live won't send you a notification about it. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass the review period and move your earnings to PayPal or Binance in 3 clicks. Let's take a ride. Alright, so once you happen to sign in to your account, what you do is you click in the bottom right so as to access the profile. And when you get here, and I want you to pay attention, don't you blink. Don't you make a mistake of clicking exchange, because you're going to exchange the beans that you've accumulated into coins, and it will be very difficult for you to gain back whatever you had in the first place. So now when you get here, click that arrow, and when you get here, tap here, don't click exchange, and then you click withdraw. All right, so now when you get here, you will see a couple of withdrawal methods. Of course, you see Binance, which is my favorite. You will see ePay. There's also Payoneer. All you have to do is click bind and you follow the prompts. So me, I'm gonna withdraw what I'm seeing right now, which is $20. When you have 100,000 beans, you have $10. When you have 200,000 beans, you have $20. Just like that. So I'm gonna type the number of dollars that I want to withdraw. Boom. That's what and then I can hit withdraw, right? Yeah. I'm gonna hit withdraw, and I will keep on waiting till I see my dollars reflect in my Binance account. So they're saying, I hope you saw that that pop-up message that actually flashed on the screen. But they were saying there's always maintenance. That is after 18 to 03. So if a person initiates a withdrawal, they won't receive the dollars right away in their crypto wallet. Instead, they will see the dollars reflect somewhere after 03. So I will do this in advance so that by the time I wake up at 03, I simply find the dollars in my Binance account. So let me hit withdraw. Boom, that has been withdrawn. And here it's showing order processing. So once it goes through, there'll be a notice that withdrawal is successful. So this is how you go about it. If you want to learn how to do other things, I'll be rolling out a sequel of videos on how to do things on Niki Live. So I urge you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Telegram as well. See you in the next video.